Good morning, children. I think the video is not clear, but I think audio is really clear. I have some problem, so try to listen. It will be better for you. Next time I will give a clear video near about next week maybe. So today I will discuss about the syllabus and your present syllabus, that is what as instructed by CBSE, near about 30 to 40% deducted for class 10th and 12th who will appear for the board exam. Their 30% are deducted and the syllabus remodeled and rescheduled and given it to the school. But for 11th no such attempt given, but in a instruction given that is near about 40% we will deduct. Good. And the exam pattern, if you think about that, is the long questions totally omitted. 1 mark, most of the questions 1 mark. I will give the sample of various school who are conducting exam. Most of the question multiple choice, match the column, and that's why. So you have what you have to prefer thoroughly line wise. And here I will discuss summary wise, topic wise. That is I will what as usual doing now. So about your syllabus, after 40% deduction, at two main textbook you have snapshot and hornbill. Hornbill is the main textbook. It is all both the two books are but allotted by NCERT CBSE, that is what following for 9 10 11 12 all class having that NCERT textbook presently, all CBSE school doing that. So main textbook we have prose and poem. Main textbook hornbill, hornbill, it has prose and poem, prose and poem. So near about 8 9 prose was there, and same 9 poem as well. But after deduction what you have to do, only 6 prose you have to complete, 6 prose and 6 poem after deduction. This is what the present syllabus. And one more that is what snapshot. Snapshot. This is what storybook, mainly storybook. You have a long reading textbook. It also have near about 6. I think this 18 chapters you have to complete from NCERT textbook. Snapshot is the main textbook and hornbill is the this is a supplementary. Storybook is the supplementary textbook. In as usual class we never go through line wise this story. You will just need to understand the story characters and the incident. But here you have to know about that each and every lines and the character and the context, everything. That's why this is called main textbook, prose and poem. So this is what 40% marks will carried from here, and near about 30 marks, 30 and 40 remaining 20 marks will be ASL, and remaining 40 marks, 20 marks from two unseen passages. Two unseen passages each carries 10 marks. एक अनसीन पैसेज में 10 मार्क करके दो अनसीन पैसेज. ये दो अनसीन पैसेज में all questions will be 1 marks questions. Previously 2 marks question भी हुआ करते थे unseen passages में, but this time only 1 marks question. 20 questions will be there from 2 unseen passages. That is also totally objective based. So total 60, and remaining 20 marks that will be from your writing skill and grammar. So 10 marks, 10 marks and grammar, and 10 marks. But that is also what grammars will be 10 marks. All objective types. Only unseen writing skill 2 writing skill will be there. 5 marks, 5 marks. That will be discussed later. So total 40 marks from literature. 40 marks from literature. 20 marks to previously unseen passages. 20 marks grammar and unseen, grammar and writing skill. Total 80 marks and 20 marks on ASL. This is what for class 11th syllabus. We will discuss from here hornbill, prose. I will give a video in YouTube. That is what summary wise discussion will be there. Main topics I will discuss. For main textbook, writer and poem writer, that is poet, their life also necessary to know, because this is what main textbook. Everything will be covered by the student for exam. So I will discuss about the writer, the poem or prose, and the title, the summary, their theme, topics, important topics, and this is how I will upload video in your groups. And you have to follow the instruction as usual, and complete the NCERT question answer after completion each chapters. After completion, you must complete your copies, and that will be the procedure of our next. So wait for the next video from this Hornbill. I will start the first chapter from prose, and that will be the the Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. That is what the first chapter in your prose. Khushwant Singh. I will discuss it thematically, topic wise in details, and summary about Khushwant Singh, the writer, and all the important topics of this chapter. So before that you must read that, and after completion you have to complete the question answer as well. And if 40 marks from literature, have a glance here. All objective type questions 20 marks, objective multiple choice questions 10 marks, multiple choice question 10 marks, and match the column 5 marks, and fill in the blanks of 5 marks. That is what totally 1 marks questions will be there. No presently that is what conducting all the schools here. So all 20 marks objective type questions. This unseen patient 20 marks, that is also objective type 1 marks questions. And these 20 marks, that is what grammar from 10 marks, that is also will be objective type 1 marks question. So 20, 40 and 70, total 70 marks, totally 1 mark questions. Only 2 writing, maybe 1 letter writing, maybe 5 marks, or maybe 1 paragraph writing, whatever maybe, that will be another. To the writing skill you need to, that is what there is no alternative, and that's why writing skill you have to write, but total syllabus and question pattern and exam, annual exam as well, that will also be objective type question. So, and this is what for class 12 board exam, that is also a same pattern they decided by our CBSE for present session. Maybe this will forward it in next session if the situation not improved. ये सिचुएशन अगर इम्प्रूव ना हो तो नेक्स्ट सेशन भी सेम सिचुएशन होंगे, और ऑल एग्जाम्स विल बी कंडक्टेड, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स आल्सो एज यूजुअल, मे बी फॉर क्लास 10th as well, they also have to appear for board exam, and same situation there is also unseen places, all questions will be objective type. So, and I think another other subjects as well, physics, science, all subjects I think same pattern, most of the questions may be objective type. So what for particular this session, what student have to do to go through the chapter in details, don't skip here, because for long questions answer, what you have to know only to understand the theme or topics, then you can write 2 or 3 pages usually, and it will score 60 or 70% mark. But for this session you don't have that type of scope, because you need to know a particular points, particular what topics, because objective type question based on thoroughly from inside the text or chapters. So don't take it lightly, you need to prepare thoroughly, and after every chapters discussed by your teacher you have to go through the chapters, because it's matter, आपका प्रिपरेशन मैटर करेंगे, आपका एग्जाम में प्रिपरेशन रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे एग्जाम में. So preparation करेंगे, and as usual don't think that it is a time of pandemic and it is in great excuse. No, जो अच्छी स्टूडेंट है अभी भी रेगुलर वाइज स्टडी कर रहे हैं, चैप्टर वाइज स्टडी कर रहा है, टीचर से सॉल्व करा रहा है, बहुत सारा अच्छे स्टूडेंट अप्रोच में देखा हूँ. वो लोग क्योंकि दे नो दैट व्हाट एवर मे बी द सिचुएशन, एजुकेशन नेवर स्टॉप्स. सिविलाइजेशन जितने दिन था, अब जितने दिन है और जितने दिन रहेंगे, स्टडी कंटिन्यू रहेंगे. And that's why what you have to do, prepare that word in details. So thank you. Next video, as usual, the time decided by school, I will give topic wise discussion. Chapter from first we will discuss Hornbill, the main textbook, and mainly the prose, and so next day you will have to prepare for that. Thank you again.